Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Knowledge. This video is about USA stamps worth collecting. D. Kennedy 2-cent green experimental silk paper, gorgeous color, clear short silk fibers, attractive margins. Scott number RS155E. Merchants gargling oil 1 cent black, experimental silk paper, white margins to innet right. Only 12 are recorded. Scott number RS178E. $15 1993 hunting permit, black engraved omitted, mint never hinged, bright color clean paper. Scott number RW60A. Moorhead's 4-cent black old paper, repaired and some light staining, rare, only 17 are recorded. Scott number RS186A. Sold for $4,500. TJ Husband 2-cent violet old paper, ample to huge margins, right sheet margin, completely sound, only 25 are recorded. Sold for $8,500. GG Green 3-cent black watermark Tet Beach Pear, original gum, white to clear margins, crisp impression. Scott number RS92DH. Wise and Company 1-cent black old paper, intense shade, short perforation and expertly sealed tear at the top left. Fine appearance, only 23 are recorded. American Match Company 3-cent green old paper, center to top right, 12 recorded. Scott number RO13A. Sold for $7,500. Alexander Matches 1-cent blue silk paper, sealed tear at the right corner, repair at the bottom right, only 13 are recorded. Scott number RO3B, value $4,000. Confederate State 5-cent blue stone 2 lithographed, mint never hinged, huge margins, showing perforation of all adjoining stamps. Gem 100 jumbo grade. $3 1969 hunting permit, jumbo margins, precise centering, superb 98 jumbo grade. Sold for $1,100. USA 1-cent black on orange red wrapper silk paper, clear impression, large even margins on 3 sides to full at the left, only 3 are known. William Penn mint never hinged, rich color, perfectly centered, extremely fine, gem 100 grade, highest grade awarded, shared by only 4 others. Scott number 724. 5-cent Kosciuszko mint never hinged, perfect centering, jumbo margins, gem 100 jumbo grade, highest grade possible, shared by no other. Now 15-cent map mint never hinged, perfect centering, jumbo margins, deep rich color and long full perforations, gem 100 jumbo grade, Scott C8. 8-cent dark green 1923 air post, mint never hinged, perfectly centered, rich color on fresh white paper, gem 100 grade, Scott number C4. Now next is 16-cent green 1918 air post, mint never hinged, exceptional centering with perfectly balanced margins, rich color on fresh clean paper, Scott number C2. $2 1954 hunting permit, mint with bottom selvage, intense shade, perfect centering, gem 100 grade, Scott number RW21. Confederate State 2-cent brown red, double transfer especially pronounced in the top left 2, mint never hinged, gem 100 jumbo grade, Scott number 8 variety. Confederate State 20-cent green, double transfer in 20, mint never hinged, enormous margins, well centered, gem 100 jumbo grade, SMQ value $1,100. $1 1941 hunting permit, mint and essentially perfect centering with white margins, fresh color and extremely fine, superb 98 grade. Hawaii 1894 25-cent violet brown, original gum, rich color on clean paper, choice centering, fresh, very fine to extremely fine, 85 grade. W.D. Curtis Matches 1-cent green experimental silk paper, choice centering, clear margins, deep rich color, very fine, Scott number RO68E. Chicago Match Company 3-cent black old paper, small faults at the top right, only 42 are recorded and all have some perforation touching the design. Scott RO60A. H. Bendel and Company 12-cent brown silk paper, white to jumbo margins, completely sound, only 42 are recorded. Scott number RO27B. L.W. Buck and Company 1-cent black experimental silk paper, the Buck plant was destroyed by the fire in 1870 and was never rebuilt. Only 20 are recorded. New York Match Company 1-cent blue old paper, choice centering, rare in sound condition. Of 34 recorded, only 8 are sound. Scott RO 136A. Augustus Eichel 1 cent black old paper intense shade. Perfect centering, extremely fine. Scott number RO 76A. Sold for $1,100. PT Ives 1 cent blue watermarked roulated vertical pair deep rich color fine and scarce. Only 37 are recorded. Scott RO 117D. Orano Match Company 1 cent ultramarine old paper rich color in the distinct shade. White margins fresh and very fine. Scott RO 141U. Sold for $1,900. Collins Brothers 1 cent black silk paper choice centering difficult issue. Scott number RS59B. Sold for $1,900. Next is Pierce Match Company 1 cent green old paper deep rich color and impossible to find sound with at least 16 of the 21 recorded are faulty. Sold for $4,000. R&GA Wright 4 cent green watermark deep rich color on bright paper well centered fresh and fine. Scott number RT25D. Landman and Camp 1 cent black pink paper, massive jumbo margins, choice centering intense shade and only few exist. Scott RT16C. Elva Littlefield 4 cent green old paper, minor perforation flaws at the bottom but scarce, only 21 are recorded. Scott number RS165A. John F. Henry 4 cent Pister old paper attractive margins, rich color thinned and light grease but rare, only 20 are recorded. Next is E.T. Hazeltine 4 cent black old paper detailed impression faint grease but fine, only 28 are recorded. Scott number RS103A. Dr. S.P. Hartman and Company 6 cent black old paper intense shade and impression, only 33 are recorded. Scott number RS100A. 15 cent transport mint never hinged perfect centering extremely fine gem 100 grade the highest grade awarded. SMQ value $575. Maryland Match Company 1 cent blue watermarked showing clear view of USIR watermark inverted in relation to orientation of the stamp. Scott number RO131D. 65 cent Graf Zeppelin mint precise centering jumbo margins long full perforations gem 100 jumbo grade, one of only 2 to achieve this grade. Simon's Ayuka 1 cent black watermark traces of gum typical centering completely sound, only 6 are recorded. Scott number RS223D. 5 cent pecan mint white margins, precise centering deep rich color gem 100 grade, only 1 grades higher. SMQ value $450, sold for $7,500. D. Barhams and Company 1 cent black silk paper showing many silk fibers. Scott number RO46B, sold for $10,000. 1 cent dark yellow green Chapman overprint need August 3, 1898 hand stamp cancel, additional manuscript and cork cancel, only 20 are recorded. Greenleaf and Company 5 cent orange silk paper bright color 15 are recorded and 9 are faulty. Scott RO102B value $4,500. E.K. Smith 1 cent blue watermarked rouletted large to huge margins and portion of design from the stamp below. Scott number RO169D. Dr. Harter and Company 1 cent black experimental blue silk paper unpunched perforation at the left. Scott number RS97E, sold for $5,500. Herrick's pills and plaster 1 cent red experimental silk paper neat pre-cancel. Scott number RS118E, sold for $4,250. Dr. C.C. Moore 2 cent black pink paper detailed impression completely sound, only 7 are recorded of which 4 are sound. Scott RS184C. $5 presidential mint perfect centering huge margins gem 100 grade the highest grade awarded, sold for $2,600. C.B. Woodworth and Son 2 cent blue on pink paper. Rich color, few thin spots, only 9 are recorded. Scott number RT21C, value $4,000. 15 cent John Paul Jones, perforation 12 all around, mint and never hinged. Deep rich color fresh, Scott number 1789B, value $3,000. 10 cent deep ultramarine special delivery mint and sharp impression perfectly centered jumbo margins gem hunter jumbo grade sold for $3,750. 6 cent dark blue and carmine mint never hinged with white top plus marker selvage jumbo margins perfect centering gem hunter jumbo grade. 30 cent winged globed airpost mint never hinged perfect centering white margins fresh and gem hunted grade SMQ value $675 sold for $2,100. 6 cent orange 1918 airpost gorgeous centering superb 98 grade only 3 grades higher sold for $1,700. $100 green series 1940 hand stamp overprint in green on Washington's head in nearly same shade at the stem. Manuscript cancel. Now $1 1935 hunting permit detailed impression rich color jumbo margins superb 98 jumbo grade sold for $6,250. 8 cent transport mint and never hinged perfect centering extremely fine gem hunted grade one of only 4 at this grade sold for $950. Corning and Tappan 1 cent black watermarked imperforate and large to huge margins with bottom sheet margin only 16 are recorded. Next is $1 1934 hunting permit mint and perfectly centered jumbo margins superb 98 jumbo grade value $8,000. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.